In Parliament, the Tories had only been in power for a couple of months when they chose to axe Labour's Building Schools for the Future programme in 2010. A £55 billion project that would have transformed the places children learn in across England, no matter what their background, was ditched. Now compare that with the action taken by the Welsh Labour government. Children are walking into new and renovated schools and colleges across Wales. This is thanks to Welsh Labour's determination to deliver modern, world-class facilities for the next generation. I'm proud that Welsh Labour is delivering the biggest investment in school and college buildings since the 1960s. Despite the Tories at Parliament slashing the Welsh budget, the Welsh Labour government is transforming the life chances of children in Wales. It's a record that shows what a difference a Labour government makes. And with a Labour government in London working in partnership with our Welsh Labour government in Cardiff, we could achieve so much more. I know that Welsh Labour members will be out in force on the 20th of October to spread the word about this inspiring record. If you're watching this in Wales, there's no better time to get involved in a campaign that you can be proud of.